Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So I was waiting for retest of structure yesterday, and I waited for quite some time with nothing happening. So at the moment, pretty clear what we see here. Just get these levels in. We have a channel at the moment. It's a bear channel. So we've had a strong move down and then into a channel, which typically happens. We are grouping to the upside. We've got all sorts of diversions. We've got bottom diversions, top diversions. So everything's indicating another leg down within the structure. But problem I have is if you start looking at the most logical levels, we are closing above them. We are not rejecting them. So you can see here, we were looking at this level here yesterday. That failed. Okay, we were looking at these levels earlier in the week. We attempted to stop there, but it failed. And now we need to move a little bit more to the left to see which next level, and this level we've got to close above as well. And now we are looking like we're finding support on it. So the trend is down. There's no two ways about it. That's my next level, and then let's just put the third one in. There's the next level up there. Trend is down. We should be looking for opportunity short. However, look what's happened here on hour. We've broken above the 155, and it does look like we've got an inside bar forming. So it does look like another continuation, at least up to the structure or even higher. Now every single one, and I'm going to just use my cursor here. There was my first level for, well, actually we had a level further down here, which you can see how we opened. We came onto that level and we bounced off it. Then we had this level, which is what I was looking for rejection, and we got a double tweezer top there. And this just shows you the importance of waiting for the confirmation bar, because there was the first pin bar. So you're looking for an entry below on a close confirmation bar. So in other words, this bar should have been red with a close below here. That didn't happen. So that was null and void. Next, we formed this range bar. So again, you're looking for an entry here. But look at what happened. There were lots of early traders coming in here, and all that happens is their stops get triggered, and it pushes price higher, And this was at market open. So a lot of people would have opened the charts early in the morning, cup of coffee, seen a tweezer top saying up with the flag. This is going down. And remember what I said yesterday. There's always a 25% probability of a flag, there's our flag, breaking to the upside and continuing. The question is this that one of those 25% opportunities that is brewing? So I'm going to just say flag has been extended. So let's just see what happens. For me at the moment, we've got non-farm payrolls in the US coming out. This is a fairly strong bit of structure that we've got here. And I always say it, the markets are not designed to fall. They are designed to rally. So, designed to make you money, not lose you money, especially on your pensions and things like that. So that's what's brewing. Look at this weekly pin bar brewing. Double tail weekly pin bar, bit of a range, not dropping below the previous low, which is over there. Sort of trying to form a double bottom here, and that's a massive double bottom on the weekly. So there's a lot going on, and I've said it pretty much for the last 2 weeks. Be careful. Look to the left. There's a lot of structure here. Not all these doomsday prophets expecting this to fall to the floor. There's no rationale behind it. Look at what's happened. Yeah, there's buyers that have come in at this level. People see value here. Anyway, let's just get to see if there's anything we can trade today. I'm of the opinion we need pullbacks, but these pullbacks are too far below. So let's just get to a 15-minute. I think the next best thing to say is to do this. We have a range. Let's just call that the top of the range. This is the bottom of the range. Keep that level in. It is structure. If the structure holds, then we're looking for another move up. I would expect during futures market probably a bounce off 12 881, move back down, then find support here again, possibly even lower down here. And we start seeing some opportunities to buy. So we're looking for inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars. There is diversions brewing here on the 15-minute. That would give me a fairly strong level of confidence that we need to buy into this. And that's the way I'm looking at this right now. The bulls are fighting. So we've had a strong uptrend yesterday. I think that uptrend is going to continue. We've got a potential turn that is happening here on the hour. And we just got a lot of structures left to get through. So obviously we need to get above this level, 12938, and then we need to break the channel before we can really say we have an uptrend. Now, lastly, we have a right shoulder here, we have a head. So do we pull back deeper with data, or even deeper down into here to come and test some structure to start forming the right shoulder? So, and that's an inverse head and shoulders, which if we break above that structure is going to be pretty volatile because there's a potential range break as well, which typically gets moving pretty quickly and then stabilizes into another range, and then we start moving to the upside. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. I think non-farm payrolls is critical today. Pay attention to that. Don't try get suckered into anything too early. Keep your wits about you, and you're looking for opportunities on the 15-minute. Pay attention to your charts. You can see if I just take this level here, you can see what happened yesterday. Didn't quite get to the structure, but there it is there. Then build up to your next structure, nice retest of the structure, and it gets moving. So just get those levels in, and when you see structure and you see retest, you see price action, don't be afraid. Jump in on the break, but just bear in mind that you can keep your stops really tight. So you're looking at 30, 40, and 50 point stop losses for 30, 40, and 50 point gains. So small trades, but you're getting the opportunity to do 3 or 4 of them in a day. And you'll be able to do that pretty much all the way up to non-farm payrolls. But be wary, we may just range between these two levels, 12,790 and 12,881 until non-farm payrolls comes out. Anyway, that's my view on the DAX today. It is really starting to look interesting. I am definitely of the opinion I want to see a little bit of a pullback. I want to see a higher low form inside this channel. That would be ideal textbook structure. And if that forms, then I'm looking for a higher high, which is going to break the highs of the week. And we have this massive weekly pin bar forming. So just pay attention to that. If we get above 12,938 and we close above there today, that gives us a green pin bar, which is an extremely bullish setup, and that tail is going to be 500 points or 4% market swing. So that is bullish. Anyway, that's kind of my view. Trend is down until it's not. So don't try and jump in without confirmation. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.